Doing my Rubik's cubes and fidget spinners. First up, okay, now point at the bed. First up, we got the emoji fidget spinner. On one side it's a shitty face, and the other side it's, well, kissy emoji. And it pretty much just is a yellow normal fidget spinner, only with emojis. Next we have the glimmering blue. This thing is pretty much a normal fidget spinner, only with like a gem blue. And then next up we have a green fidget spinner. It's pretty much a fidget spinner, but it's green. Okay. We're moving on to the cubes. The Rubik's 3x3. It's very easy to pop. I've never popped it. This is brand new from today. And well, it's very cool. That's all I could really say. Super cool. Okay, on to the Rubik's 3x3x3. This thing is very weird. Look, it goes off the center. And I made an elephant with it once. And, here, the camera jockey made, one time I asked him to make something, and, God, how is this so hard to make? Hang on. Just gotta keep it down, that's why. Okay, there we go. This is a turret. And it's pretty cool. It's only for experts. There's a silver version at Five Below, and that's all for now because I lost one of my Rubik's cubes, and go looking for it this exact day. Bye.